USA, USA,
USA, USA.
represent. Getting out of here. Yeah. Good night's sleep. I'm gonna go down the bump. It's okay.
Oh, you made that look easy.
Gracias. It's gonna be easy. I'll just stop it 20 times. Keep going. Let go of the clutch, then. Yeah, if she keeps going, just let go of the clutch. Keep her straight now. Now keep her straight. Otherwise, she's gonna fall to your side. Yeah, I got it. All right. La gorda. La gorda Tina. Oh yeah. Come on, bitch.
Saluden! Thanks, man. Temporary camera guy.
Uruguay.
Is Uruguay.
Yeah.
Uruguay represent. Los uruguayachos.
Ya probado. Era de mi botella.
Luego para seguirte en las redes.
Vale. Mauricio. Pedro Mota. Pedro M-O-T-A. Mota.
Mota de...
Sí, exacto. Sí, they know.
Hey, so how long do you think it'll be to get to the border? I think it's about like 250, 280 Ks, 3 to 4 hours. It's pretty straightforward. You might have to fuel up in San Cristobal, I don't know. So I expect like 4 hours, but the border does close at 5 or 6 on one side. Just remember 5 o'clock here will be 6 o'clock there.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That's good to know. What about gasoline in Chile? That's pretty hard to get, right?
No, it's easy.
It's easy.
You can fuel up in Calama and or San Pedro. It's going to be about $1.15 to $1.30 per liter.
Okay. Peace, dude. See ya.
Take it easy, bro.
Later, brother.
Good to see you again.
See you, man. Well, we'll catch up later on, man. We always got Texas.
We'll find.
so-
We'll find. Then there's always Texas. I still ain't got no. You know that song? I ain't got no exes yet in Texas, so I need to work on that.
Oh, yeah.
Bye, Fat Tina. She is a pretty bitch, though.
Yeah, she is. She's big and she's fun. Bye, man. See ya.
All right, there goes Julio. Good to see him again. What are we gonna do? There might be aduana here, customs. I might pop by them if they exist out here to extend my temporary import document for Alp, because she only has like 2 weeks left on it. It's ridiculous. I want to get her the same as my tourist visa, but if not, that means we get to go early out of here. And today we're gonna take, I think, a really awesome alternative route up to Potosi. It just goes like this. You have to zoom in on the map to see it, and it goes all like this in the mountains and through all over the ridges. I've seen some pics from Robin. It's going to be dope. Oh, that's not very... Migration is here, but looks a bit not functional. Hola, buenas. La migra, ¿dónde está ahora? ¿Es aquí? ¿Sea derecho? Ok, gracias. Hola, buenas. ¿Cómo está? Esa es la migración. Okay, this is what I thought. It's migration here, so not customs, and customs is for the vehicles and possessions. So they can't do it here, no customs in Uyuni either. So I'll have to hit it up in Sucre or when I'm in Cochabamba and sort it out there. So all right, that means we're going to hit awesome route, get some supplies first, and then fuel up, and we're gone. It's going to be fun. So I've seen 2 massive lightning strikes already. Boom! Also, Alp is sputtering a lot. Could be bad fuel, I don't know. Alright, like I said, I saw my 3rd lightning and it fucking hit that electricity post right there. the road passes by. I gotta go inland at some point. So I think this might be a good place to turn in. Let's see how muddy it gets. Look at that. Man, what a terrible day for Alp to be running. Absolutely horrible. This is the worst it's ran in years. And I'm actually getting noise fatigue because I can't barely pass 80 and it just go like misfirings. It's terrible. I think it's bad fuel, or the oil thickness that I put on a filter is too thick, not enough air. These bits can get gnarly muddy. I wonder if I should just go ahead and already let a little bit of tire pressure down. You know what, that's exactly what I'll do. Man, Alp, what the fuck's going on? Talk to me. Whoa, this is flash flood stuff. I've never seen it. I've always wanted to see it. Whoa, that's cool. It's not a very good day to do what I'm doing. Wow. That's crazy. I've never seen this. Not even in Australia. Australians and other flash prone nation peoples are like, mate, get out of there. I've seen flooded roads like in northern Australia, but you know, this is coming. This is new. That's wild. Watch out, Alp. It's coming for you. It's time to cross it. It's been a while since I've been in the rain. I want to go over there. Hopefully the rain's less so I don't have to put the GoPro in the casing. My boots are far from waterproof. Hopefully it doesn't become too ditchy here. There we go. Alright, it's been a while since I had the case on, so it probably will fog up. You know, there's a nice tarmac road to Potosi, 250 Ks. But you know, what's the fun in that? Oh shit, that's soft. Oh man, I needed a lot more speed. Man, this is magical. This is Jurassic Park, man. Why would you go on tarmac and miss out on all of this? Well, Pedro, maybe because of all these fucking water crossings and mud. Welcome to the Altiplano. Woo! Look at this. You know, this is another chapter in, you know what? I might have said this before, but this is what it's all about. Come on, Mike. Stay on. There we go. Oh shit! Oh shit, this is soft. Yes! Now shelter here from the rain in the village. Eat something. I've been carrying this around since Chile. Let's see if some 95 octane will make a difference. It's like 20 liters and now a liter and a half of this. I don't know. That's what I used to do in Mongolia, because you get that run 82, terrible stuff. And I would mix up 95 with it. Would bring it from the big city because that's where you could get it. And then when you fill up in small remote places, add some of it to improve combustion. I hope it's that.
No puedes.
No, no es
Por causa de la lluvia ahora.
por la lluvia, la colorada más que todo, ¿no?
Y después más tarde, en ese camino, voy a encontrar más pueblos.
En de Telcata yo creo que no, habrá más, pero no conozco. Otros pueblos debe haber por ahí.
Sí, espero que encuentre algo.
Ay, Dios, ¿cómo se anima para ir?
No creo
Aquí
que encuentres. Yo creo que a lo mejor y aquí.
Aquí, mañana
sí,
salí
ajá,
temprano.
mañana salí.
Holy shit! I almost went down. Yeah, so I'm turning around here. We're gonna ride all along the mountains, all along in the rain. I feel like a lightning rod up here. There's constant thunder. I don't have my inner liner in. I'm slowly getting wet underneath too. Yeah, you hear that? Fuck me. So I see if I can find a place to stay in this town. Yeah, lightning. I saw it impact the mountain there. And getting wet. I could go on, but it doesn't feel really smart at the moment. I need to be better prepared. Okay, I talked to the lady and her husband, and I can stay at the place. They'll leave early in the morning to Uyuni, and that's where I'll go to. Gracias, José. ¿Y tú cómo te llamas?
Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Stephanie, yo me llamo.
Mucho gusto, Stephanie. Estás muy animada.
Ah, sí.
¡Bah! Ay, gracias.
Aquí le voy a preparar.
So the lady of the grocery shop here, they were going to leave to Uyuni, her and her husband, but they're going to do it tomorrow morning instead. So I can stay here in this very small village. Very nice of them. So they made like an accommodation here. Yeah, everything started to get wet. Came ill prepared for the rain because it's been a long time actually since I've been in the rain like that, in an environment like this. Plus being a potential lightning rod along the way. Yeah, we've only gotten colder. It gets cold here in the evening. Below 10, 5. Yeah, combine that with being wet. Just take it easy, settle down. Oh, this is the first time I'm gonna put on the leggings that I found by the thermals in on the road in Chile, on the ground. They've been in the washing once, so they shouldn't smell like another man's crotch anymore. Although I'm starting to doubt if this was worn by a man. It feels like a second skin. It is true, I'll confess. Leggings tend to feel ridiculously good.